In this help video, I'd like to look at the symbol manager in MTPredictor version 8. For this, you go to Tools and then Symbol Manager. What we do in MTPredictor is we basically map a MTPredictor symbol out to different providers, because different providers normally have different symbols for the same the same market. So what we do is use a main MTPredictor symbol and then we map that to the different data vendors. So this is what the symbol manager is basically doing. So for this we come into two main sections. We have an online data provider section, which is what I'm looking at here, and then another one for our end of day ASCII metastock data, and I'll look at that in a separate video. So in this video we'll be looking at online real-time data providers like IQFeed, eSignal, etc. It's very simple. You can basically search for symbols. Let's have a look searching for the ES. We put ES in and then we do search, and we can search for a symbol. Once you've found the symbol you wish, you can click on it and then you can edit it by clicking on the edit button if you wish to, and there's the information you can change within it, including the symbol, what's the type of the symbol. In this particular one it's futures, what the tick size is, and from the tick size we then automatically calculate what the tick value is and what currency that's traded in, what exchange it's traded on, and also the trading hours times you wish to associate to that particular symbol, and then the description. In the next tab, this is what I talked about at the start, is what we call a symbol map, and here we actually map to the different data vendor symbols for that particular one. So here you can see the ES for bar chart, the symbol is ES, but IQFeed is at ES. To edit these, if you wish, you just click on them, then click on edit, and you can edit the provider symbol, and also if there's a suffix. For example, if you're trading in some markets, let me find an example. The DAX is one I know about. I'll just find that, edit it, and then look at on eSignal. The suffix on the DAX is dash EUX. But more information on that, you can either contact your data provider or you can contact us as well. You can also add a new symbol. I'll just get those off and then do search again. You can also add a new symbol into the symbol manager by doing add and then filling in the relevant information for symbol type, exchange, trading hours, etc., and also the symbol maps. You can add them in. There's also a way to import off this bottom button here a whole group of symbols. For example, if you want to do a batch import to for a lot of symbols, and I'll cover that specifically in a separate video. You can also list by symbol type, so if you want to list by Forex, search, there's all the Forex symbols there as well. A lot of it is fairly self-explanatory, and most of you won't be using many of the features here. The main features you'll probably be using is the symbol lists, which is what we have over the side here, and I'll look at creating symbol lists in a separate video.